This video will demonstrate how to upload videos and share them with your classes here at Bridgewater. So first, there are many options for creating your videos. Part of Office 365 includes something called Stream. When you're in your email, if you click on the app launcher in the upper left corner, kind of looks like an Eggo waffle, you can click that to expand to see all of the various apps that are included in Office 365. If you don't see the link for Stream, you would click Explore All Your Apps to see that, and then you click on it to get to the page that I'm on. If you would like to record right from the Stream app, there's a screen recording function as well as camera recording. These are limited to 15 minutes, so you may want to look at a different option for capturing the video, and then you could just upload the video after you've created it. So you could create a video with your phone, with an iPad, Windows Movie Maker, iMovie, there's websites like ScreenPal, or you could also use your Bridgewater Zoom account, create a meeting with yourself, and just record that meeting. Then you could download the video file and upload it to Stream if you wanted to share it. So there's a lot of options. Once you've got your video file, the next step would be to upload that to OneDrive to share that with your classmates or faculty, etc. So I'm going to go out to OneDrive and just demonstrate that process. So what I usually do is create a folder to put things in for a particular class. So to do that, you would just click in the upper left corner. There's a blue button that says Add New. And then I'm going to create a folder. And I'm going to just say videos for class. Obviously, you would be more specific. And you can also color code. So if you've got more than one class you'd like to store files for different classes in, you can pick different colors for different classes. And now I'm going to go out and look at my files. And it does, by default, my most recent files are at the top. So I have a videos for class folder, and you can see that's red. So once I click inside the folder, I have some options. And again, I'm going to click Add New. And this time I'm going to say Filed Upload. And then I would navigate to wherever the videos are located on my computer or on my device. So if you've got it on your phone or an iPad, you could also use the OneDrive app to upload, or you can share it however you would like. So I'm going to find something small for demonstration purposes. And obviously you want to make sure those are video files. And then click Open. And you'll see a little note that it's done uploading, and you'll see it here. So once I'm done uploading, I can share this video with whomever I need to. By default, the video is private, so nobody else is going to be able to see that. If I hover over the name of the video, you'll see I have an ellipses right to the right. If I click on that, I can come in to click Share, or I can also say Manage Access. They'll bring me to the same window. And then here I can click Share. I can decide who I want to be able to see it, and then also if I want to allow them to edit or just to view, etc. So what I would typically do is say anybody at Bridgewater could access it. However, depending on the confidential nature, you may have to specifically choose that you want only your instructors to see it, only students in a particular class, etc. So you could change this and say people who you choose, and then maybe you only want them to view it. You don't want them to be able to download it. Whatever settings that you want, you would select those. And then if you chose specific people, you would just type in their name or start typing in their username, and then you would add it here, and then you just copy that link. So once I've copied the link, I can close this out, and now you can see it's showing me that it's shared and who I've shared it with. Now I can come out to my Blackboard course site, and then depending on how you are expected to share it, whether it's in a discussion forum and an assignment, or if you need to email it, you'll just come in and send it however you would like. So let's pretend that I needed to do this in a discussion. I would just say, here is my video, and then I would paste the link and click respond. So that way, whoever has access could then click that link to be able to access the video. Now remember, only the people I've shared it with would be able to view it. So if you're sharing it in a discussion, you would have to either share it with anybody at Bridgewater or manually add the people you want to share it with. So I hope this helps. This is just demonstrating how to upload videos and share those.